Why choose a major manufacturer for machine tools? Today, we'll give you the answer straight from the source. Manual counting for warehousing and finding materials relies on luck and experience. Production relies on verbal orders, leading to chaotic processes. But at Taikan, this traditional production model has long been phased out. In the warehouse, with our WMS smart storage system, all materials are scanned in, locations are assigned by the system, and inventory data is precise in real time, ending errors and shortages. For the workshop, the MES production management system enables automatic work order dispatch, standardized processes throughout, and real-time visibility of progress and quality, making every step traceable. Meanwhile, the plant practices 7S standardized production, crafting various machine tools to support 3C, 5G, and AI development, becoming a leading enterprise with broad technology and a full product range. A major manufacturer's strength isn't just scale, but its digital and production capabilities. For machine tools, choose Taikan.